Good morning, children. Today we are going to see in detail about good values. They are personal value, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. Now we are going to see about personal values. Personal values is the basic value for an individual. So personal value is an basic value. It is a essence. It is essence for an individual. Some personal values are love, mercy, generosity, honesty, truth, friendship, hospitality, peace, tolerance, faith, and so on. So, personal value is the basic value for an individual. For a person, it is a basic value. Here they have given some personal values. They are love, mercy, generosity, honesty, truth, friendship, hospitality, peace, tolerance, faith, and so on. So, what is love, children? It is a strong feeling that you have on someone you like very much. Then, what is mercy? It is a kindness. Kindness we are showing to others, poor people. Then, generosity means being generous, helping others. Then, honesty, being honest, truthfulness. Then, truth we know, friendship. Then, hospitality. Hospitality means looking after our guest, being friendly with people. Then peace and tolerance, which means accepting something or someone that you don't like. That is ability to tolerate. Then faith and so on. These are the personal values. These are the basic value for an individual. And here they have given one activity that fill in the blanks. You complete it, children. Then here also, grow trees to get dash. Millions benefit if they live dash. So complete these activities. Okay, children. Then cultural values. Becoming well-mannered and cultured is an essence of the society. Essence means the basic and important quality. So, becoming well-mannered and cultured is an important quality of the society. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. Irrespective means not taking into account, not coming under the list. So, irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. Harmony means a state of being together. This help to maintain cultural values. So, being together helps to maintain cultural values. We all are humans. We must live together as brothers and sisters. As we all are human beings, we all must live together as brothers and sisters. Then, social values. How should you behave in public places? Tell me, children. How should you behave in public places? We should maintain the following good values in public places. They are maintain good relation with people, respect elders, protect nature, be tolerant, and maintain friendship. So, we should maintain good relation with people and we should respect elders. We should protect nature, be tolerant, maintain friendship. In page number 166, they have given some examples for the good values and their generosities. King Sibi offered the flesh of his thigh to a starved hawk to save the wounded dove. So, to save the dove, King Sibi offered the flesh of his thigh. Then, to give justice to a cow, Manunidi Cholan killed his son under the wheels of his chariot. So, Manuniri Cholan killed his own son to give justice to a cow. King Pari offered his golden chariot to Mullai, a creeper. So, to the plant, King Pari offered his golden chariot. King Pahan offered his shawl to a peacock which was shivering in the cold. Okay, children, about disciplinary value and constitutional value we'll see in our next class. Thank you, children.